In this video, I'll show you how you can install Jsmon's Chrome extension and hack JavaScript files while you are normally browsing in your browser. So let's start by installing the extension first. You first need to go to Chrome Web Store and type in Jsmon Chrome extension. I have this extension already installed. You just need to click on the add or install button to install it. Once you are done with the installation part, click on the installation and then it will ask you for the API key. You need to log in into your Jsmon account and go to Jsmon API section. Generate an API key from here. Copy the API key and paste it in here. After this, it will prompt you to select a workspace. As you can see, it is giving me two options here, and I do have two workspaces which are already created. So I'll select this current workspace which I'm in right now, and then I'll click on start scanning. Now let me show you how many JavaScript URLs I have right now in my account. I have no links available. It's a very fresh account and I'm showing you from the start of how to do the installation part. Now we need to turn on the extension and just do normal browsing in our browser. So I'll turn on the extension and then go to, let's say, one of my favorite bug hunting site, hackerone.com, where I do all my hacking. So I'll click on login page, or I'll surf a little more. I'll click on opportunities, directory, leaderboard, and then let's try to refresh this page. We will see we have 27 JavaScript URLs right here. And it also have URLs from Google, YouTube, and just like in Burp Suite, when you open it, it gets traffic from Google and YouTube as well. And all the analytics and the beacons which are running in the background of that application. So similarly, we are getting traffic from everywhere, whatever is coming inside the extension. Now you can also see other fields like JS intelligence, query data, keys and secrets of what the API exposures and the API paths, the emails, the S3 buckets, the IP addresses are found inside these JavaScript URLs. Let's try to visualize this by query data. You can type in this field is equals to API paths, hit enter, and it will list out all the API paths found inside the JavaScript files of hackerone.com. To make it more clear, let's try to do just hackerone.com. And you can see here, we have API paths. Definitely there are some false positives, but you have all the strings which are detected by our API paths regex patterns. If let's say tomorrow you have a subdomain of HackerOne, like videos.hackerone.com or reports.hackerone.com or support.hackerone.com, and you also wanted to include that. So for that, you will have to use the subs parameter. Now let's talk about the domain scope part in the Jsmon Chrome extension. It is given here so that you do not run out of API calls, or it does not consume all the API calls coming out from every tab that is opened in your browser right now. For example, you're watching Netflix or you're browsing to Amazon or Flipkart, but you are not hacking there, or you are not doing your security research there. You do not want the JavaScript URLs from that domain. You can just specify the domains that you wanted to include, that you want to scan via Jsmon. For example, let's try to add bugcrowd.com inside the domain scope, and I'll hit enter. After this, you will see that I'll now enter bugcrowd.com, and in another tab, I'll enter integrity.com. Well, let's try to see here. We have two JavaScript files. Let's try to log in. Click on researcher, and you can see we are getting JavaScript files, but let's try to browse in here. And you will see that no JavaScript files are found. Also, in order to add in more domains, you need to use comma as a delimiter and add more domains that you want to hack on. Now let's see a JavaScript URLs dashboard in Jsmon. I'll refresh this page, and as you can see, we do have traffic from bug crowd as well right here. But we did not get any traffic from integrity. Thank you.